There's something happening in the silver space right now that doesn't get talked about enough. Now, let's get into it. I'm not talking about COMEX inventories or delivery pressure. I'm talking about influencer risk. By the way, congratulations BBA for getting the first comment in my last video. So when silver starts moving, emotions rise and excitement builds. Narratives accelerate, convictions becomes contagious. Markets are up quick, buy as much as you can. Silver's going to the moon. Or markets down, quick. This is a great time to buy before silver shoots to the moon. And what I'm seeing more and more, people accelerating serious money based almost entirely on a personality. That's dangerous. Look, I create content, others create content. Some have been doing this for years, but no YouTuber, including me, should ever be the reason you deploy a large chunk of your savings. Not in silver, not in anything. Silver is volatile. COMEX positioning shifts. Open interest changes. The data moves, and sometimes outlooks change with it. That's not betrayal, that's markets. The problem is when viewers convert someone else's conviction into personal financial certainty. That's where risk multiplies. Because when the narrative cools down, when price pulls back, when delivery month passes without firework, emotions turn into regret. I don't mind channels taking sponsorship, but if you want a channel that won't ever accept sponsorships from a bullion dealer, then check out my friend Thousand Eye Radio and say Salfahordian sent you. But this is my personal positioning. If you watch this channel, understand this clearly.
I will analyze. I will interpret data and news. I will give my perspective. But I am not your financial trigger.
It is you who is responsible for your sizing, your timing, and your risk tolerance, always. Silver can be a long-term wealth hedge. It can also be brutal in the short term. For example, in the last month or so, from a high of £84 down to £52. That's £32 different in 30-ish days. So please, all I ask is buy what you can afford. Your budget may be £30 a month, and others it may be hundreds, if not thousands. This isn't a race. Don't buy because someone sounds confident. Buy because you've done the work. Buy because it fits your strategy. But if you ever feel rushed or emotionally charged before a purchase, please pause. The market will still be there tomorrow. Anyway, thank you for watching. Bye.
I step out the shadows, red eyes lock on. 6-foot legend, but your myth gets shut down. They call you Little John, irony's thick, big frame.